Not far from where I live, near the headwaters of the Russian River watershed in Mendocino County, there's a community of eco-conscious folks saving seeds and experimenting with permaculture technologies as they tend to the earth, the soil, the water, and the ecology of the place. Tucked into the hilly slopes east of Willits, Abuela Gardens is a home for active engagement with the landscape, creative expression, and hands-on education. Living in the rhythm of the cycles of nature, the community strives to foster sustainable practices for the highest good of all. In 2021 and 2022, Abuela Gardens is hosting a series of workshops so that folks can learn from some master teachers about the essential homesteading techniques of earth stewardship and watershed regeneration. 2021 is focusing on a series of natural building classes. Blair Phillips has orchestrated some positively fantastic workshops so that you can get your hands dirty practicing earth stewardship skills. Using natural materials like clay, sand, straw, willow, and wood, participants will be able to jump into the process of crafting buildings. If you haven't yet experienced the deeply gratifying evolution of forming a wall out of earth, you're in for a delicious treat. I might have taken a different fork in the road when I was in my 20s and become a full-force natural builder for the sheer joy of creating Earthworks. There's nothing quite like the sensation of being covered in earth from tip to toe. For centuries, all buildings were made in this fashion. There's a deep reverberation of resonance of ancient techniques that calls to us when we step into natural building. A handful of clay plaster is a rich play field of texture and immersive earth therapeutics. I'm not sure you've really lived a full life until you've gotten to explore smearing clay over the contours of an earthen wall. And of course, the beauty of natural building is that the materials are close at hand. A home that is made from the land, of the land, and in concert with the land creates something magical, a fusion of hyperlocality and conscious intention that is so nourishing to the soul.